Hello Cancers, this is your bi-weekly reading from 16th to the 30th of May. So let's check out for your energy for the month of May, for the last 15 days of May. So first of all, energy of my beautiful Cancer. Three of Pentacles. So you are just building something in your life, whether it's career or whether it's relationship, but you are recognized for your efforts that you put into your work. You are totally focused upon building your career, your love life. So let's see your partner's love energy towards you, towards my beautiful Cancer for the last 15 days of May. So if I see the card, then I have to tell. So, Seven of Swords. So this card representing that they are running away from this connection, or maybe there are some sort of a cheating, lying, something like going on behind your back, or maybe this person just simply in a denial about their feelings about this connection. So something they are doing that is like not healthy for the connection. So let's check out your energy. You both are like opposite. They are they don't want to put the right amount of effort, and you are putting all the efforts in the connection. You want to build this connection, they want to run. So let's see your energy. So what I have Four of Pentacles. So maybe of their behavior of running, you are also holding back at some point. No doubt you do want to build this connection with your partner, but you are holding back, or maybe you are just simply holding them too tight into your heart that you are not able to release this person. So let's see their energy towards my beautiful Cancers. Nine of Wands. So this person is going through a lot in their life currently. During this time period, they are feeling like this, they're feeling the struggle in this connection, and they are feeling like wounded, and they are like not able to fight for this connection anymore, because they are totally exhausted that what's going on in your connection. But still, at some point, this person still want to work out, like they are in a duality. One side of them is like running from this connection, and the another side of their heart still want to fight for this. So let's check out your energy. See, you are sad about the things, how things went wrong, or maybe you are regretting about something, but you are like sad about the things. If the situation is not going into your favor in this relationship, that you feel the anxiety. Let's see their situation. Because of their defensive behavior, because of their running behavior, you feel sad. At the same time, maybe some sort of a C8 of Wands. So they do want to contact you, they do want to talk about something, they want some sort of a communication with you in this connection. So let's see the final result of your connection for the last 15 days of May. Final outcome of your relationship for the last 15 days of May. Six of Cups. You both sharing something soulful connection together, and this is like you both having some good time period. You both remembering each other, strong, deep, soulful connection that you both feel. Right? This is not a one-sided. This is from both the sides. So soulmate connection and the old memories, that is popping out as a final outcome. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.